Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert Cyclone symbol in Excel. So guys, firstly you need to open Excel and click on insert. You see this upper first layer, this, click on insert, double click on insert. Now you see last option symbols, click on it. Again click on symbol. Now you see this is open. Now you need to font select this one, subset select this one, and character code is one F300. Now click on insert. You see this is insert. So this way we can how to insert Cyclone symbol in Excel. Thanks for watching.